The unyielding now. Why dwelling in the past steals your present and future. The human mind, a magnificent and complex instrument, possesses the remarkable ability to traverse time. We can vividly recall memories, relive past joys, and analyze past mistakes. While this capacity for reflection is crucial for learning and growth, it harbors a potential pitfall: the tendency to dwell in the past. This act of repeatedly revisiting bygone moments, often with regret, longing, or resentment, can become a heavy anchor, tethering us to what was and preventing us from fully embracing the vibrant possibilities of the present and the unfolding potential of the future. To dwell in the past is to live a life half-lived. It's like driving a car while constantly staring in the rearview mirror. While occasional glances are necessary to understand where we've come from, fixating on what's behind us blinds us to the road ahead, increasing the risk of accidents and preventing us from reaching our destination. Similarly, an excessive focus on the past obscures the opportunities and joys that exist in the present moment and hinders our ability to create a fulfilling future. The many faces of dwelling. Dwelling in the past manifests in various ways, each carrying its own set of emotional burdens. Regret and what-ifs, ruminating on past decisions, mistakes, or missed opportunities can trap us in a cycle of self-blame and hypothetical scenarios. If only I had. What if I had chosen differently? These thoughts, while seemingly offering a chance for analysis, often lead to unproductive guilt and prevent us from accepting the reality of what transpired. Nostalgia and longing. While fond memories can be comforting, an excessive longing for the good old days can lead to dissatisfaction with the present. Idealizing the past and comparing it unfavorably to the current reality can rob us of the ability to appreciate the beauty and potential of today. Resentment and bitterness. Holding onto past hurts, betrayals, or injustices can breed resentment and bitterness. These negative emotions act like poison, corroding our inner peace and impacting our relationships in the present. Dwelling on these wounds keeps them fresh and prevents healing. Reliving triumphs. While celebrating past successes is important for self-esteem, constantly reliving glory days can hinder present motivation and growth. It can create a sense that the best is behind us, diminishing our drive to pursue new achievements and experiences. Fear of repetition. Past negative experiences can create a fear of similar events happening again, leading to anxiety and avoidance behaviors in the present. This fear, rooted in the past, can limit our willingness to take risks and embrace new opportunities. The steep cost of fixation. The consequences of dwelling in the past are significant and far-reaching. Missed opportunities. The present moment is where life unfolds. By being preoccupied with the past, we become blind to the opportunities, connections, and joys that surround us right now. We are so busy looking backward that we fail to see what's available in front of us. Stagnation and lack of progress. When our energy is consumed by replaying past events, we have less mental and emotional resources available to invest in the present and build towards the future. We become stuck in a cycle of rumination, hindering personal growth and forward momentum. Impaired relationships. Dwelling on past hurts or idealizing past relationships can negatively impact our current connections. We might project past experiences onto present interactions, leading to misunderstandings, mistrust, or an inability to fully engage with others in the here and now. Increased stress and anxiety. Reliving negative past experiences can trigger the same stress responses as the original event, leading to chronic anxiety and emotional distress. The constant mental rehashing keeps us in a state of unease and prevents us from finding peace. Diminished joy and happiness. The present moment is the only time we truly have to experience joy and happiness. When our minds are constantly tethered to the past, we are unable to fully savor the positive aspects of our current reality. Physical health issues. Chronic stress and negative emotions associated with dwelling on the past can contribute to various physical health problems, including high blood pressure, digestive issues, and weakened immune function. Breaking free. Embracing the power of the present. The good news is that we have the power to break free from the shackles of the past and cultivate a life lived fully in the present. Here are some strategies to help. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of paying attention to the present moment without judgment. By focusing on our breath, our senses, and our current experience, we can anchor ourselves in the now and gently redirect our attention away from past ruminations. Acknowledge and accept. Don't try to suppress or ignore your past experiences. Acknowledge them, learn from them, and then consciously choose to accept them as part of your story. Acceptance doesn't mean condoning past hurts, but rather making peace with what cannot be changed. Focus on gratitude. Cultivating gratitude for the present moment can shift our focus from what was lost or what could have been to the positive aspects of our current reality. Regularly acknowledging the good things in our lives can foster a more positive outlook. Set goals for the future. Having goals and actively working towards them pulls our focus forward. It provides a sense of purpose and direction, making the present moment feel meaningful as a step towards something we desire. Engage in activities you enjoy. Participating in activities that bring you joy and immerse you in the present moment can be a powerful antidote to dwelling on the past. Hobbies, creative pursuits, and spending time in nature can help ground you in the now. Practice forgiveness. Holding onto resentment only harms ourselves. Forgiving those who have hurt us, including ourselves, is a crucial step in releasing the emotional baggage of the past and moving forward with a lighter heart. Forgiveness is not about condoning the past but about freeing yourself from its grip. Seek support. If you find yourself consistently struggling to let go of the past, consider seeking support from a therapist or counselor. They can provide valuable tools and strategies to help you process past experiences and develop healthier coping mechanisms. Create new memories. Actively engage in creating new positive experiences in the present. This helps to build a richer and more compelling present that naturally diminishes the pull of the past. The unfolding now. Life is a continuous flow, a series of present moments unfolding one after the other. The past is gone, and the future is yet to be written. The only time we truly have to live, to experience, to connect, and to create is now. By consciously choosing to release the grip of the past, we free ourselves to fully embrace the richness and potential of the present, paving the way for a brighter and more fulfilling future. Don't let yesterday steal the precious moments of today. Step into the